Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a face mask out of table napkins. You take 2 table napkins and you take 2 rubber bands. You put rubber bands over your head, one and then the other, okay? Then you take 2 table napkins, put them together. You put them over your face. Then you take the lower rubber band and put it down just above your chin, between the chin and the lower lip, and above the ear. And the next rubber band you put on the nose and below the ear. You can adjust it to make sure it's airtight, and your mask is ready.